How to turn off user statistics on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable user statistics on Opera Mini easily and fast. So first thing, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down here and click on the Opera icon and click here. Now scroll down until you find the advanced option. And now here is it right here. Click on it, and here you will find many options, and here is the usage statistics option. Click on it and click disabled. Now as you can see, it's disabled successfully. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.